Today, I want to walk you through what it looks like to create resources. So within field service, I'm going to come down here and change my area to the resources section. When I land here, I'm first going to default to a list of all of my active resources. So when I think about what a resource is, this is anything that can be scheduled to a work order. This could be a user, it could be a contact, it could be a piece of equipment, it could be a facility, or I might be booking a group of resources to a particular job. So what I want to do today is I want to create a bookable resource for a piece of equipment, such as a lawnmower, for example. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to select equipment. And then from here, I'm going to look at the existing facilities or equipments that exist. And I don't see the piece of equipment that I want, so I'm going to hit new. I'm going to go ahead and discard these changes. Now from here, I need to define what this equipment is. So I'm going to enter in a little bit of data here about this equipment. This is going to be a lawnmower, zero-turn lawnmower. I want to put in a little bit of information contextually about this, what business unit this rolls up to. And then if I've got different organizational units that I'm using to help break up and group my resources, I can go ahead and associate this piece of equipment to a particular organizational unit. So I'm going to go ahead and select the US here. From here, I'm also going to go and switch my time zone to central, so that way I know that this piece of equipment operates within the central time zone. And then I'm going to put some contextual data about what this piece of equipment represents. From here, I'm going to save and close, and this is going to take me back to my resource record. Again, I want to modify this to equipment, and now I can go ahead and look for my piece of equipment, and I can go ahead and save this record. What this is going to do is it's going to create a bookable resource that I can now associate work to on my schedule board. Let's go take a quick look at the schedule board and see if that resource shows up. While I'm on my schedule board, there's a few different things that I can do. I can scroll through to find my resource, or I can do a quick search for my resource. I'll see down here that I found my resource area in zero turn 60 inch. I can also do a search, which will filter my list of results. And now, as I have unscheduled work orders that need to be booked, I can associate these to this resource so I can schedule that work to be done by this piece of equipment.